Electric remote control. Lawn mower R1100 to 48. Mower body width 1470 mm. Length 1300 mm, height 590 mm. 48 volts 1500W permanent magnet. Brushless motor. Diameter 43 cm. Tires. Body surface treatment. Spray plastic. The width of the mowing is 1100 mm. Turn on the power. Press this key to match the signal. After 3 seconds, the remote controller is activated. You can control the mower. To walk and work. Walking speed reaches 6.5 to 7 km/h. Cutter head height can be adjusted to centimeters to 18 centimeters. Electric mowers go forward and backward. Zero-turn mower. Warning light sharp flash. Charger 110 volts to 120 volts optional. Ternary lithium battery charging port. Cordless remote control electric lawn mower. To reduce your workload and enjoy the joy of mowing, then please contact us. We will recommend one for you, a suitable remote control electric lawn mower.